For this exercise, we'll find the least common multiple of two numbers. We'll find the least common multiple of 16 and 12. Notice that the abbreviation LCM stands for least common multiple. When we find the least common multiple of two numbers, we're looking for a number that is a multiple of both 16 and 12. The first thing to check is if one number is a multiple of the other. Look at the larger number, 16, and ask yourself, is 16 a multiple of 12? The answer is no, so we need to go to another method to find the least common multiple. The method we'll use for this example is one that you can use for any time you have two numbers, and that is using a list of multiples. We take the largest number, 16, and we go through the different multiples of 16 until we find a multiple of 16 that is also a multiple of 12. So we can start with 16 times 1, which we really already checked. That's 16. 16 is not a multiple of 12, so 16 can't be the least common multiple of 16 and 12. Let's check 16 times 2. That's 32. 32 is not a multiple of 12. 16 times 3 is 48. And 48 is a multiple of 12. 12 times 4 equals 48. So since 48 is the least multiple that is common to 16 and 12, the LCM is 48.